The Latte Factor by David Bach and John David Mann is a captivating personal finance book that teaches readers how to achieve financial freedom through small, consistent changes in their spending habits. 1. The power of small changes. The Latte Factor, this is the core concept, identifying and eliminating small, seemingly insignificant daily expenses like that daily latte. The invisible spending. The book highlights how these small expenses, often overlooked, can significantly impact your finances over time. 2. Pay yourself first. The importance of automation. Automating savings and investments is crucial. Setting up automatic transfers. The book emphasizes the importance of setting up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts as soon as you receive your paycheck. Paying yourself before bills. Prioritize savings and investments as essential expenses, just like rent or utilities. 3. The 80-20 rule. Identifying spending priorities. The 80-20 rule suggests that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Focusing on high-impact changes, identify the 20% of your spending that has the biggest impact on your finances and focus on cutting back in those areas. 4. Investing for the future. The importance of long-term investing. The book emphasizes the importance of long-term investing in stocks, bonds, and other assets. Understanding compound interest. The book explains the power of compound interest and how it can significantly grow your investments over time. Finding the right investment strategy. The book provides guidance on finding the right investment strategy based on your individual risk tolerance and financial goals. 5. Living a rich life. Redefining wealth. The book encourages readers to redefine wealth beyond material possessions. Prioritizing experiences and relationships. The book emphasizes the importance of investing in experiences and relationships, which can bring greater happiness and fulfillment than material possessions. Living a life of purpose. The book encourages readers to identify their passions and pursue a life of purpose, which can lead to greater financial and personal satisfaction. By following these tips and presenting the key lessons in a clear and concise manner, you can create an informative and engaging YouTube video that inspires viewers to take control of their finances and achieve their financial goals.